Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can schedule send a text message on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in here you can start a new text conversation or open up an existing text conversation. Now I'm going to go in here and go to the text box and put in your chat message. This is a schedule. So this is a schedule. So I just write again, schedule text. Okay, so instead of tapping on the send button, what you want to do is tap on the arrow right here and then tap on the add button. Next, tap on schedule send. Then from the list here, it has some predefined time that you could use. So later today at 5 p.m, later tonight at 9 p.m, or tomorrow at 8 a.m. Now, if you want to select a custom time, tap on pick date and time. And in here you can schedule on what date it will send to. And then tap on next. And then choose a time. So here you can choose a time. And then tap on next. And here we got the time. If you want to set the minute, just tap on that. So this is the minute, so you can choose the minute. You can choose AM or PM and then tap on next. And then tap on save. Okay, so now tap on the send button and it is schedule. So you can always go into your text conversation and tap on the schedule button. In here, it will allow you to update the message you can send now, or you can simply delete your schedule message. And then tap on continued. And that's it. So that is how you can schedule send to send out your text message at a specific time on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.